Stephanie Decker is one of the stories which was more prominent that emerged from the devastating tornadoes in March of 2012 in southern Indiana. She was the mother who lost her legs shielding her kids. Tonight, Stephanie's story, only on 13. I talk with Decker about her biggest challenges, and she shares what she's learned.
Please welcome Stephanie Decker.
Stephanie Decker came to Indianapolis to speak at the Easter Seals Crossroads annual luncheon, wearing her prosthetic legs and ensuring everyone she is okay.
My day is really no different than any other day. I just put my legs on first.
Decker's house was leveled by two tornadoes, March 2nd, 2012, an F4 and an F2. Her legs were severed as she covered her young son and daughter. They never got a scratch. Amazingly, the beam in the rubble which injured her legs also worked as a tourniquet and saved her life.
There was a reason, there was a purpose that I was supposed to be in that situation that day. And so many things went right that if one of those had gone wrong, I wouldn't be here.
Decker says she decided to be positive. After a lengthy rehab, she took her first steps.
I'm nobody special. It's you know, it is what it is. I'm not. It's just how I chose my path after what happened. You can do this. You can make it.
She started traveling the country, so far speaking at nearly 24 events like this one.
The biggest lesson from this story, for me, from the accident, is that it's not all about me. That, you know, I've lived in a pretty selfish world, in my own little bubble of running my kids to school, ball practices, you know, living my life with my family, not really seeing much outside of our bubble.
She says now Henryville is unified and rebuilding.
We have in our new home, we basically have a bunker. I mean, it is a underground safe room, concreted on the top, sides, back. I mean, you can't even hear the thunder outside. I am.
She works out nearly 2 hours a day and has the goal of running.
I look at it as I'm pretty stinking lucky. You know, I have a lot to live for. I've got a wonderful husband. I've got beautiful children. We have a new home. I have life. And to me, that's the gift I was given. And it's now up to me to kind of do something with that. Okay. At one point I felt so guilty for a lot of the attention that this brought on for just me. And then I thought, you know what? It's time to get over feeling guilty about it, and it's time to do something else about it. And that's really what I've tried to do.
Oh, so cute. Well, Stephanie set up a foundation called the Stephanie Decker Foundation. She's raised nearly $45,000, and she has already sent 10 kids to camp where they can play able-bodied sports. She's also worked to change Kentucky law so it would be a requirement that insurance companies provide high-quality prosthetics for patients, and she's very hopeful that that passes. So it was a privilege.